Top 5 use cases for sentence embeddings explained. Discover practical applications and learn how to implement sentence transformers in various projects, enhancing skills in semantic search, text classification, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and recommendation systems. Welcome to our exploration of sentence embeddings. Did you know that sentence embeddings are revolutionizing how we interact with data? These powerful tools enable machines to understand natural language with unprecedented accuracy. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 practical applications of sentence embeddings, examining how they enhance semantic search, text classification, sentiment analysis, chatbot interactions, and recommendation systems. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or tech enthusiast, this guide will equip you with the skills to harness the full potential of sentence transformers in your projects. Sentence embeddings transform entire sentences into numerical vectors, capturing semantic meaning beyond individual words. Unlike word embeddings, which focus on words in isolation, sentence embeddings consider context, syntax, and semantics, making them invaluable for natural language processing. By encoding sentences into vectors, machine learning models can perform tasks like understanding context, identifying relationships, and even predicting outcomes with greater accuracy. From search engines to chatbots, sentence embeddings are at the heart of modern AI applications, enabling machines to interpret and generate human-like responses.
Semantic search leverages sentence embeddings to improve search engine accuracy by understanding user intent and context. Traditional keyword-based searches often miss the mark, but embeddings allow engines to match queries with the most relevant results, even if the exact words don't align. Companies like Google use embeddings to interpret complex queries, delivering more precise answers. To implement semantic search, integrate sentence transformers with your existing search architecture, allowing for real-time processing and context-aware results, enhancing user satisfaction and engagement. Text classification with sentence embeddings allows for more accurate document categorization by understanding context and semantics. Whether it's sorting emails, organizing research papers, or filtering news articles, embeddings enhance accuracy and efficiency. By transforming text into vectors, classifiers can identify subtle nuances, improving prediction outcomes. Choose a sentence transformer model suited to your specific domain, and integrate it through APIs or machine learning frameworks, ensuring seamless processing and analysis across diverse document types. Sentiment analysis using sentence embeddings helps businesses decode customer feedback by analyzing opinions, emotions, and sentiments. By converting sentences into vectors and recognizing patterns, companies can gain insights into customer satisfaction, product perception, and market trends. This approach overcomes challenges like sarcasm and mixed sentiments, providing more reliable results. Select models tailored for sentiment tasks, ensuring they capture nuanced expressions and emotions, and integrate them into your customer feedback systems for real-time analysis and actionable insights. Sentence embeddings empower chatbots to deliver human-like interactions by understanding context and generating appropriate responses. By embedding user queries and potential responses into vectors, chatbots can match the most suitable reply, offering a seamless conversational experience. Advanced chatbots utilize these embeddings to handle complex dialogues, enhancing customer service and engagement. Integrate sentence transformers with natural language processing tools to refine your chatbot's understanding and responsiveness, crafting interactions that feel natural and personalized.
Recommendation systems utilize sentence embeddings to personalize user experiences by understanding preferences and predicting interests. By analyzing user interactions and feedback, embeddings help systems deliver tailored content, be it movies, products, or articles. Companies like Netflix and Amazon use these techniques to enhance user engagement and satisfaction. To implement a recommendation system, choose a sentence transformer that aligns with your data and goals, integrating it into your recommendation engine for dynamic, personalized suggestions. Selecting the right sentence transformer is crucial for optimizing performance in your specific use case. Consider factors like domain specificity, model size, and processing speed. For instance, some models excel in sentiment analysis, while others are tailored for semantic search. Balancing accuracy with computational efficiency is key, especially for real-time applications. Popular models include BERT, RoBERTa, and DistillBERT, each offering unique advantages. Evaluate your requirements and test different models to find the best fit for your project, ensuring optimal results.
Integrating sentence embeddings into your systems requires careful planning and execution. Utilize APIs and machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch for seamless integration. Ensure that your deployment strategy accounts for scalability and performance, especially if handling large datasets or real-time processing. Address common challenges such as data preprocessing, model tuning, and maintaining model updates. By following best practices and leveraging community resources, you can integrate sentence embeddings effectively, enhancing your project's capabilities and outcomes.
The future of sentence embeddings promises exciting advancements and applications. Emerging technologies in AI and natural language processing continue to evolve, leading to more sophisticated models and techniques. As research and development progress, new applications will emerge, transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, and education. Keeping abreast of these trends and innovations will be crucial for professionals seeking to leverage the full potential of sentence embeddings, driving future success and impact. We've explored the top 5 use cases for sentence embeddings, revealing their transformative impact on semantic search, text classification, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and recommendation systems. Now it's your turn to experiment and apply these insights to your projects. Join our community by commenting, sharing your experiences, and suggesting future topics. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content on AI and machine learning. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into advanced NLP techniques. Thank you for watching.